camera 1, camera 2, a roving camera that we're starting and stopping recording on at various intervals during shooting, a lav mic which is recording internal audio, plus a separate audio recorder way at the back of the room there. Let's see how we can edit all of this audio together using multicams in DaVinci Resolve. I've already imported the 3 video files from those 3 cameras and the 2 audio files from the 2 standalone audio recorders. Select all of them, right click and choose Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. Give the multicam clip a name, choose how you want to sync it. In this case we don't have timecode, so we're going to choose sound. I've got a full video going into all of these options, so I won't go into all of them here. And then hit Create. At the bottom now, we've got this new multicam clip. You can right click on this multicam clip, choose Open in Timeline, and we can see we've got 3 video clips at the top and all of these audio clips at the bottom. Depending on what cameras you've used and how you've set up the audio recording, these tracks may be mono or stereo tracks. So for example, this first track we can change to mono because it's just a simple dialogue track. We'll do the same for the B camera. Maybe this roving camera was recording in stereo, so we'll leave that as stereo, and we'll leave these 2 tracks as mono because they were mono audio recorders with just a single microphone. Next, right click on the multicam clip that you created and choose Create New Timeline using selected clips. Give it a name and hit Create. Close the media pool and make sure this drop down is set to multicam, and if you don't see 2 windows, click on this button to get 2 viewers. And we can scroll through this, and at some point that C cam roving angle will kick in, just there. Remember, that was the camera that we started and stopped recording while the other 2 cameras were continuing to record. Now we want to set things up so we've got separate audio tracks for the 3 cameras plus another couple of audio tracks for these 2 standalone recorders. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on this clip, come to Switch Multicam Clip Angle and choose the angle that you want to start with. In this case, we're going to choose A cam. That's also going to make sure that the audio files that have been brought along to start with also switch to the A camera. And if you want to, you can click on the audio header and give that audio track a name to match. We're going to remove this audio 2 track, so I'm going to right click on it and choose delete track, and we'll go and delete this audio 2 track as well. Now we want to go and create the other audio tracks for the other angles and internal recorders. Hold down Alt and select just the audio part by clicking on it. Hold down Alt and then left click and drag down to create a duplicate of that. Do that for each angle or each audio recorder that you've got in the multicam clip. In our case, we've got 5, so we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio tracks. Hold down Alt, select the second audio clip on the second track, right click and choose Switch Multicam Angle, and then choose the next angle. We'll do the same for angle 3. This time it's going to be C cam roving. Hold down Alt, right click, switch Smart Cam, field recorder back of room, and finally lav mic internal. Recall the C cam roving clip was set to stereo in the multicam clip, so we'll right click and change that to a stereo track. In the multicam view, make sure you click this button to switch only the video angle and then start to edit as you would normally. We'll trim the start there. Click here to switch to camera B. Let's switch to camera C, and you can see as I'm doing this, it's only switching this video track. It's only making these cuts on the video portion, not the audio portion of the multicam audio. That's because we've got this button selected. That's where the C cam stopped recording. So just before that, we'll add another cut to switch back to A cam. Now you can go and mix all of these audio tracks however you want. There's various different ways of doing that. For example, you can head over to the Fairlight tab if you wanted to. Camera 1. You can hear we've got echo there. That's because we've got some of these audio files recording the same audio in different places. And one quick way to do this would be to reduce the clip volume for all of these other audio clips. If we want to switch to camera 2's audio, we'll add an edit point by holding down Alt and clicking, creating another one and then dragging down. And again, you can rename these things to make them a bit clearer. We want camera 2's audio to come in here, so we'll edit this. Camera 2. Another way you can do this, if you don't want to use Fairlight, is just to add different edit points in these clips and then select sections and hit D to disable that section. Recall earlier when we created this multicam clip itself, there was a lot of options. To really get the best out of multicam, I highly suggest you watch this video next. And if you want to dig into more details about Fairlight audio editing, I've got an epic free course. Check out this video to learn more. I'm Jason Roberts, this is DaVinci Dojo, and please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.